Hello, 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 everybody. Okay, we got some breaking news here with the Vallow Daybell case. I'm going to wait until a few people get in here. So please smash that like so we can get going on this. This news just broke. Hello, Hockey Mama, Miranda, Krista. Hello, everybody. Please smash that like. I wasn't able to get this out and let everybody know that this has come out, but this is amazing, you guys. I don't know. Hello, Lorna, Nana, Tara, Adegini, Crime and Justice. Hello, hello, hello. Breaking news, you guys. I don't know how many of you seen the information I put last night, what my thoughts were on what I have been seeing in this case. Hello, everybody. And what my thoughts were with what's been going on in this case. So we know Chad Daybell, there's been a lot of things happening there, and we've been anxious to find out, like, what is going on here? Why is John Pryor making all these motions? You guys know that the last time that they were in court, I caught a slip up by John Pryor regarding him saying that he hasn't received certain paperworks and this and that. He's fighting about his client not being able to maybe proceed to trial because Lori is still incompetent, but he hasn't received any paperwork for her transfer or anything like this. So, excuse me. So I caught that. I don't know how many people did, but I caught it because of being and working in the legal field for over 30 years. There's certain things that I will catch that others miss. Last night, I went through a lot of paperwork that was submitted regarding Lori Vallow. A lot of it, 90% of it, 99% of it is under seal. And I said, like, what the hell is going on? There's something going on here. I'm not comfortable with the way things are going here. So I've been all morning, been searching and searching and searching because I just had this pit in my stomach. You guys know I also read cards. I'm very intuitive. And I had this gut feeling. And so I posted last night, if you guys haven't seen it on my community tab, I said, I wouldn't be surprised if she's being brought back to the jail. So I'm going to share this with you right now. I'm not going to hold off. Anybody that's coming in late can just rewatch. This will take a few minutes once I'm done the live for it to be visible again on YouTube. So you just give it time to upload from StreamYards to YouTube, and it will be available for everybody to watch. So let's get going. I'm going to share my screen. I'm not going to hold you guys in suspense. I'm going to share this with you right now. Boom. This is filed today. Okay, so I just got this. So based upon the court's determination that defendant Lori Noreen Vallow, a.k.a. Lori Noreen Vallow, is restored to competency and is fit to proceed. The court orders that the defendant be brought before this court to be arraigned. Further, the order staying the case is hereby lifted. Defendant is to be transferred from the Idaho Department of Health and Welfare and remanded to the custody of Fremont County Sheriff to be transferred and brought before this court. What do you guys think? Was I right again or what? Okay, the arraignment should take place on April 19th. I'm going to write that down right now. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have got tons going on April 19th at 1 p.m. So that will be 4 p.m. my time, Eastern, and I will be going live with this, you guys. She has been restored to competency. What did I say, you guys? So I got a lot of backlash for that. Oh, you don't know what you're talking about, blah, blah, blah. A certain YouTuber that's a lawyer would have came out with this already if it was going to happen. You don't know what you're talking about. Well, there you go. I've called this for the last almost 2 weeks. That with what I was seeing being filed, I know there's something going on. And that is, you know, almost like the third eye, because I've worked in law enforcement, not law enforcement, in the legal field. I worked in the courts. I dealt with criminal defendants. So I knew with what I was seeing and what was being hidden that this was coming. And actually, if you guys want to go back and read the post I made last night, I called it. And here we go. This, you can see right up top here. This was only filed right here. Whoops. Let me just blow this up a bit so you guys can all see it. This was filed this morning at 9:35 a.m. Okay, so like just over half an hour ago, 45 minutes ago, this was filed. I called this last night, you guys. So she has been brought to competency, yes. And Terry, I did, let me just get back over here. I said this like a week or so ago. I caught prior slip up. Okay, when he said, well, I haven't got any transport orders yet and this and that. He slipped up. That stuff is under seal. He slipped up. I caught it. And I brought it to you guys a week and a half ago. I said that to me, that means she's going to be transported. And he wants to know where all this information is that should have been disclosed to him, that he says he didn't get yet. Right? So I can read more into what's being said and catch little slip ups like that where others are not. Okay. So here it is, you guys. She's been brought back to competency. I don't have a lot of time. I just got out of a meeting about 45 minutes ago. I've got to head off to the dentist, but I've always told you guys, look at, when I got something, I'm coming to you guys right straight away and bringing it to you. So like I said, this was just filed about 45 minutes ago. I was made aware of it and bring it to you guys right away. So you are very welcome, you guys. Very, very welcome. Some of the attorneys, they have come right out and said they have speculated, and they said, no, it's not going to happen. And actually, I was called out. Point blank, I was called out that I didn't know what I was talking about. So it is what it is. They can continue, but saying whatever they want. You guys know, unless I am pretty much sure, I don't say that this is what I think is going to happen unless I'm pretty much sure. And like I said, with the slip ups I've caught, and that's what happens when you just jump on and you're getting secondhand information. And that's why I said, I do not go by secondhand information. So I want to see it with my own eyes. I want to see everything that's come out. I took the time this morning to go through a few things before my meeting. I was in a meeting where we went over a lot of things, and this is what I got. I had this feeling last night when I was going to bed. It was like, okay, I've got to put this out there. I want it out there. This is what I think. Let's watch and see if she's being brought back to the jail. I wasn't expecting actually to get this morning, but I was expecting to get some kind of information saying that she's in the process. They're preparing her to be transferred back. That's what I was watching for, because a lot of things in the actual file online we're not privy to. We can't get. So I was very shocked actually to get this as it came out. So I had to finish up my meeting, get back here to be able to jump online and bring this to you. I wasn't planning on coming back home at this point, but I took a home stop just so I could get online and bring this to you. And now I've got about 10-15 minutes before I got to rush out and get to my dentist appointment. So there you are, you guys. I keep my promises. She has been brought back to competency, and she will be being arraigned on the 19th. So I will be bringing that to you live. I believe that we can stream this. So I will be streaming it live from the courthouse for you. And I don't think she's very happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you guys too. Yeah. And like I said, and that's why I run a very tight ship here, you guys. When I say, please don't put out information that you're getting somewhere else, because it may not be true. And then I've got to explain to people, look, that's not what I said. It's somebody in my chat that said it, blah, 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 blah. They've heard something else somewhere else. That's why I don't allow that in my chat or other channels and stuff like that to be brought up, because I don't want you guys to have misinformation. And then me, instead of just bringing you validated information or verified information, I have to sit here and take 20 minutes explaining why that you're hearing that and why it was posted and why people are talking about it. That's why I just don't allow it on the channel. So I know some of you take offense to that, but it's just, that's the way I got to run things here. So I don't got to waste time explaining that it wasn't me that said it. It was a comment in my chat, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So I hope you guys can, you know, understand that and respect that. And even when I do put out verified information, I'm still being called on it. So it's like, I bring you guys the facts. Okay. I don't speculate. I don't, you know. So please, I hope that nobody take that as an offense. It's just the way I run my channel. So thank you, Terry. And a lot of people thank me for that. So they know when they come here, they're getting verified information. Okay. It's not from another channel. It's not secondhand. It's exactly what you see here. This is right from the court. Okay. Last night I did make a community post saying, I think she's coming back, you guys. It's been 180 days. Things aren't lining up the way that they usually do. She's had 2 priors where she was given 90 days to be brought back to competency. Pretty quick, we seen filings in the court that they're extending it. They had a motion. It's extended for another 90 days because she's not competent yet, blah, 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 blah. We didn't get that. Then they extended it for 180 days the third time. With that being said, that 180 days was up over a week ago, and we didn't see any extensions being filed. So I'm saying, okay, she's brought back to competency. It has to be. Now, was that verified? No, but it was my gut feeling, and it was with me knowing what I know, being working in the justice system and criminal law for a lot of years. There's something going on here. And then John Pryor's slip up. Yeah, there's something going on. So that's why I did make that post last night saying I think that she's being brought back to the jail, that I would be watching for those transfer orders. But I got better than that. I didn't get the transfer orders. They didn't post them. I got this. Okay? Which is a million times better. So with that being said, yes, Cat H, I only bring out truth. So with that being said, you guys seen it here first. I'm sure a lot of people are going to be jumping online with this very shortly. Lori Vallow has been brought back to competency. She is scheduled for arraignment on April 19th, 1 p.m. Fremont County, Idaho time. That will be, I will be 4 o'clock my time Eastern. I will be streaming that live because I do believe I can stream this hearing. It's an arraignment. Judge, forget his name here. Judge Boyce is very much one that really keeps things open. So I will be able to jump on the WebEx and stream it for you guys. And I will be bringing that to you on the 19th. Now, the funny thing is on the 19th, I had a feeling about that day because Chad is back in court that day. He's back in court at 9 a.m. Idaho time. So that will be noon my time. I will be bringing you that also. And I'm going to be anxious to see John Pryor's face then, because now she's brought back to competency. Yeah. I mean, I really don't care about seeing her face, Terry. But yeah, just see, there you go, you wicked, evil human being. I don't even like calling her human. Your games didn't work. Oh, they're going to be tried together. And that trial is starting January of 2023. That trial is going ahead. You are very welcome. Okay, so let me see if there's anything else here. Yeah, there's a lot going on. It seems a lot is being piled on all at once. Also, I have spoken with, if you guys haven't seen my read on Josh Bohannon, the cause of death and the manner and how he was found and all that has not been released yet. Family members I spoke to last night on the phone. I cannot give out that information yet, but I do know where he was found, how he was found, the condition he was found in. I know all that. I have to meet with the family on a live, hopefully this afternoon. They're having some issues that they need some help with, and they've asked for my help. That will not be public, you guys. I'm sorry for that, but it will not be public. I hope to have his family come up on a live, but my read was 100% on point. I cannot say more than that, but if you see my last reading of him, I do give an area where I think he's going to be found, etc. From what I have gotten now, like I said, I spoke on the phone with his family last night. Thank you to my sister. She did a 3-way because I don't have calling to the U.S. She did a 3-way for us. I was able to speak with his family, and also a member here, K. Mitch, was on that call also. I cannot discuss what has come out. It has not been made public yet, but his family did share that with me. I will be doing a private live with them at some point today because the time is of an essence with this. They really do need help, and hopefully I can get them on a live sometime this week, and they will be able to discuss what they feel that they are allowed to discuss. But I want to get down pat with them first on a private live as to what they can legally bring out or what they wish to discuss and not discuss at this time. I'm heartbroken, especially after hearing what I heard last night from the family. I am heartbroken. I feel so bad for them. So I just can't imagine the family of JJ and Tylee and Tammy and Charles Vallow and all of that, what they are going through. To actually speak to family members is just heartbreaking. It's just heartbreaking. And I'm not good with that stuff, you guys. I am really not good with speaking with family on a live. I wasn't expecting it either, so I was kind of caught off guard, but it was just heartbreaking. And like I said, I'm going to do a live with them, hopefully today sometime, and maybe get them up on a live. And that's going to be for subscribers only, because I'm not going to open that up or open the family up to any trolls and stuff like that. So it will be probably subscribers and members only that I will do that with, if they agree to it. Other than that, there's really not much more that I can bring you right now. I do have to get ready. I've got a dentist appointment now to rush off to. But there you go. She's been brought back to competency. She will be appearing in court to be arraigned on April 19th, and I will bring that to you guys live. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Marie. Thank you. This is awesome news. Okay, so for now, you guys, I'm going to let you get back to your day. Thank you so much for jumping in on this. Again, I want to let you guys know that this is going to go private for a bit, and then it will be available once everything is uploaded to YouTube. So let me get going on that so it's made public in the shortest time possible. Okay? So until the next time, you guys, please take care of yourself. Please stay safe. I love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you to the mods jumping in. I know you guys got no warning, so thank you for being here. And thank you to all of you for jumping on and being part of this. Until next time, you guys, take care. Stay safe. Love you to the moon and back. Bye-bye for now.